Bring them back. Union wants workers implicated in improper disposal of neonates at Victoria Jubilee Hospital to be reinstated. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, are we ready? Disaster Agency expresses concern about readiness for fires in high rises.
Pay up. Government entities owe UDC millions in rent.
Clash. Education Minister outlines new ICT policy for schools days after Health Minister raises concerns about tech addicts.
At it again, government and opposition clash over what issues should be deliberated by parliamentary committees.
And in business news, going down. Petrol prices ease off record highs.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what should be done to prevent a recurrence of the improper disposal of the bodies of newborns?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.